So yes, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So doing everything under the Island application, how to install, use, and also clone apps on the Island application on your Android device. So without wasting so much time, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. And let's go ahead to our Play Store to get everything done. So this is the best video that will help you get to use, install, and clone apps using the Island application. So go ahead to search for the application here, Island. It's a very light application here on your Android device. I'm going to search for my Island application. And next thing to do here is to click on install. So the install process is really short because here this app is very light and installs using little or no data. So let me get this solved. So yes, I have my application installed, and next thing I want to do is to click on open and open my application right here. So this is what the Island application look like. Once you get to this interface, next thing to do is to click on accept. So after you type the asset, you're going to see let's set up your work profile. I'm going to click on accept and continue. Then you will see the application trying to set up your work profile for you. So this will take a few seconds and it will also get this stage 2. You can have this running on your device as you're watching this video. So this is the steps you have to follow. So I'll speed up this part for some time. Then we're going to see this part where we have the part of provisioning Island. So this also take few minutes to work. So now let's just click on accept and continue. And now you can see that our Island app has been set up. So this is one step. We've just set up our Island application. What you have to do is to wait for all these things to load and show the real application. So you can see on your Island application, you have here your security. So you said work setup keeps talking. What you just have to do is to click on cancel. Only for clicking on report. So it happens here with the Island application because sometimes we get this kind of notification or bug. So just click on cancel and we might just have to start the Island application. Click on wait here. So now we just have to let me just go ahead to restart the Island application because it's having some issues. These apps always come with bug issues most times because it is still being developed by the developers. So here is your Island space. Here is your mainland space. Yeah, so your Island space comes with application from your phone. So going over to your mainland application, your mainland section of the Island app is applications you have on your phone that are installed by you, and these applications you can actually just do to copy or install there on your Island application. So after this explanation, let's go ahead to install a particular app or clone a particular app on your Island space. So you have to open your Google Play Store here by tapping on it from your Island application. So just click here and click on open. So now once you've tapped on your application here, you can see this icon at the right hand side of your Google Play Store. So just tap on that and it should open your Play Store. So this is your new Play Store you have on your Island application, and what you have to do here is to sign in into that Play Store. So you are signing into this Play Store and you are using a different or new Google account that's separate from your normal Google application. So this will take some time. What you just have to do is to relax and chill to get this done. Full on Google Play Store. I'm going to click here on accept. I'm going to click here on accept and wait for this to load also. So then we are going to be taken over to our new Play Store. So now we have two Play Stores, the normal Play Store here and the other side. So for example, now if I want to clone a particular application here on this Play Store, for example, let me look at, let's say OP. I want to clone OP application here. I'll just have to search here for my OP here on my new Play Store, and I'll download my OP here. So let's go ahead to install OP. So this is how to use the Island application now. After that, how to set up everything, and now we're at the stage of how to use it. So this is our OP here. You can go ahead to click here on install. So basically, sometimes you don't need to really download this because you already have your OP installed on your device. So it will just directly clone it. So you can see installing straight. So I basically did not go ahead to click on download or ignore. So you can see my OP is installed already in my Island application. So let's go ahead to also install PalmPay. So because I have PalmPay installed on my phone, so let's go ahead to click on PalmPay, install PalmPay. So I'm going to see you basically don't need to re-download the app because Island will just automatically add the application to your Island application because you've installed it already. So let's watch some installing PalmPay also. So you can see this is installing right now. Okay, I think this is downloading, so that means I basically don't have PalmPay installed on my phone. So let's go ahead to search for DLS because I also want to install DLS. So DLS, come here and click on install. So let's see. So you can see my DLS is installed already without downloading. So I basically now have PalmPay on my device, and that's the reason why it's be downloading PalmPay. So let me just go ahead to cut that because I don't want to install PalmPay on my phone. So I'm just cancel. So you can see apps that you already have installed on your phone will just install directly, and you can go ahead to open your Island application right here to have it done. So let's open our application, Island application, to use the apps we've cloned. So you can see you can find both OP and DLS26 here on my Island application. So this is basically how to use this application. If you have any issue, drop your issue you're facing in your comment section. Let me go ahead to open any of these two applications. So let's try opening our OP. So we tap on the OP, and I have to tap on this box and arrow button here for it to open your OP application. So this is my another application I have here for my OP. So you can see you can go ahead to click on this, and I've totally gotten my OP two places on one device. So this is my OP installed and cloned here on my Island application. So if this works for you, give this video a like button because I've really done well, and go ahead to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.